Spring is the season for DIY projects. But what projects can you do that are simple, easy and fun? And what materials are the easiest to use that require little in the way of tools or specialist skills? Well, Holman EzyFit Fittings certainly fit the bill, providing options aplenty for great, practical fun in the garden. Holman EzyFit Fittings are available in 15, 20, 25, 32 and 40mm sizes with a range of crosses and joints. This makes them suitable for a whole raft of DIY projects that can be easily adapted and modified. They are made right here in Australia. One great project for spring is a garden cover or plant cage. They are a good solution for helping your plants grow without the use of pesticides, while protecting your precious seedlings from the elements. The EzyFit fittings allow for a customisable structure, which is great for when you need to add more height as your plants get taller. Another great DIY project involves making a PVC raised dog bed for Woolie dog here. Making him a comfortable place to sleep will be an easy task that requires only a few materials. Start by measuring out your frame to suit the size of your dog. We're using 20mm PVC pipe, which is easy to work with. Cut the pipe into 8 total pieces, so you have 4 legs and 4 pieces for your frame. Then add the end caps to the legs of the bed and assemble. To finish, add an outdoor fabric to the frame. Lay out your chosen fabric and place the frame on top. Then simply make a 1/2-inch fold of fabric over the pipe structure and screw it to the pipe every 4 inches. Your dog will love having a place to lie down other than on the grass or the dirt. This project is straightforward to construct, lightweight and easy to keep clean. These customisable solutions make great frames for a range of projects, from kids' soccer goals, fishing rod holders, A-frames and even cubby houses. And they're easy to disassemble and store away when you're no longer using them.